How do you celebrate your Christmas? Do you deck up your home to invite Santa? Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant, and I'm so excited that you're here today. If any one of you are new here, please consider subscribing, and once you've seen this video, if you liked it, please like and share. So let's dive right in. Today we are going to do a completely different episode. I have never done this before. It is a vlog for you guys. Yes, it's a vlog about how I decorate my Christmas tree and how I decorate my whole house. So for this purpose, I got my family, my core family. Most of my core family is with me. Some of them are not here. My brother and my in-laws are in Bangalore. I really miss them for this occasion. But anyways, let's make the most of it. And I've got the team to do the whole procedure with me. And when I think of Christmas, Christmas is a festival which is so dear to my heart. Not for religious reasons, but ever since I've been a small kid, I've been brought up to love and respect all religions, and we had tons of friends who were Christians and Muslims, so we used to always celebrate all their festivals with equal spirit. And when I think of my Christmas, one fond memory that I have when I was a child was my father used to celebrate Christmas in a very different way. Meaning, you know, those times we never had these trees that we get to buy now, those beautiful artificial trees that we get to buy now. So what he used to do is, he used to bring some natural branches. He used to cut some natural branches and he used to bring them home, and we used to just plant them into a pot and then deck that tree with all kinds of knickknacks that we had. And the best thing that would go onto the Christmas tree and would be decked up with were those Christmas cards. As you guys can remember, those times it was huge. When the holiday season begins, what we used to do is we would go all together as a family to the market to buy these cards, New Year and Christmas cards, to be sent out. And then we come, we lovingly write on them, we take it to the post office, we sent it. And I can still feel the excitement when we used to receive a card. You know, we would just wait, and when we have to open that, we would read all those things and we would feel so good at heart. But then all that is bygone era. So let's plunge right into this vlog, and I believe that you guys would love this. If you love it, please share your comments here, and may all of you have a very happy, merry, abundant, healthy and a very peaceful Christmas this year. Happy Christmas to all of you. So today I am going to do the tree in my house, and I have my whole of my family, most of my family here. So these are my parents. This is my father, my papa, and this is my mama. Say hello. Hello. So we are doing the tree today. Yes, here we go. So this is the next team which is going to join me, my kids. She is Om, we call her Malu at home. Hello. And this is Master Triambak, we call him Karthi at home. And they're both so excited to do the tree. Yeah. Yeah, and today we have the theme as red, so all of us are dressed in red, as you can see, and here we go.
There's a little helper.
So this is Anjani, the lifeline of our home. She is there for everything, and she is also mostly excited for doing the tree. Hello? Yes. Here we go.
Bye.
And this is the main leader of the gang. So he's Shankar, my husband. You must have seen him in the Greece video. So we are all set to do the tree today. Yeah?
Have fun.
Yes. Here we go. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, now Miss Muffet, tell me, what do you like about Christmas?
I love decorating a lot, and I love
the festives of the house, and I also love getting gifts.
Okay, and who gives you all these gifts? You also believe it's Santa?
No, but I don't want to spoil it for somebody.
Okay.
My favorite thing ornament is this.
Okay.
This one.
Why?
And
Who's that? It's an angel.
it's an angel, and
Okay.
I like it because it's very rare,
Mhm.
and I've not seen anything like this.
Mhm.
Also, I like
Hi.
this one. I really love it.
Okay.
It's
Hi.
really pretty.
The marshmallow thing.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I like this Santa Claus hat.
Which one? Which one? Show me. Show
This
it.
one.
That one?
And I
Okay.
like this reindeer.
The best?
Yeah. And I like the Santa Claus.
Why?
Because they're all Christmas animals.
Animals. That's a Santa. Okay, the
Animals
reindeer.
and parents.
What do you like about Christmas the most?
I like to celebrate and I like to spend time with my parents
My
and I
God!
like to get gifts
Ah, you like to get gifts from who?
from Santa.
From Santa Claus. Santa brings you gifts.
Yes,
When?
at night.
So what do you like among these decoratives that we put on the tree? Which is your best one? Which is you like the best?
It's a very difficult question to answer, but if you ask me, I think some of this one of this is the star which we usually put up on the top. And I also like these colorful hearts and these small glitter balls which are there, which is also very, very pretty. Now, these are also very nice, and we've collected it from different places, so that carries a memory with it as well. So I love these pieces in addition to all of them, but if you were to ask me to choose, maybe I'll pick these small things up.
Does the star symbolize anything? Why do you like it so much?
Yeah, the star is what we usually see up on the sky. Now we have it inside the house, so and it's a sign of hope, brightness. It always gives us joy to look at a dark sky and see those stars there. The celestial section. But so similarly inside the house, when a star comes, it looks very pretty as well.
क्रिसमस ट्री में मुझको सबसे अच्छा लगता है ये।
और क्यों?
क्योंकि ये लाल रंग है जो कि जिंदगी में भी खुश देती है और त्योहार में भी। कारण कि क्रिसमस है जो कि सब त्योहारों में से भले ही क्रिश्चियनों का है, लेकिन सबसे प्यारा है ये त्योहार। कारण कि इसमें हम लोग पूरा फैमिली साथ में मिलकर करते हैं और अच्छा से करते हैं। अरे सेंटा तो है नाम के लिए, पर हमारे माँ बाप, जैसे कि अभी मैं यहाँ रहती हूँ कि अभी मेरा भैया भाभी ही मेरे माँ बाप के जैसे हैं, और हर एक 25 दिसंबर में मुझको सेंटा के रूप में रोज़ गिफ्ट देते हैं। यानी कि 25 दिसंबर में गिफ्ट मिलता ही है, इसीलिए वही लोग मेरे लिए सेंटा है।
So my favorite decorative pieces for Christmas are these ceramics. So I just love anything which is in ceramic, and especially these Christmas things. You can have a look at this snowman, which is so pretty, and there is this Santa. So we have been collecting all these things from all the places that we travel to, and we have this with us for so long now. We keep collecting more and more ceramics to our collection. So yes, I just love to see them, kept on that shelf where I'm going to keep all these things. So that's what I love. Audio Jungle. They are so cute. So beautiful. Each has sit on the top. So cute. Wait. Dangling legs, dangling. Audio Jungle. Since it's Christmas, let's have some cake and wine. We have some homemade wine.
Gifted by a friend Minnie from Bangalore. So
she is an expert in making these homemade wines. This is like an year old, yeah.
This is from last year. She put when we went to Bangalore. She gifted us this. So we're going to try that wine and see how it is. Thank you, Minnie, and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
So, Merry Christmas to the world. Merry Christmas to our family. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.